Hi there, welcome to Fusion School video. Today we are going to discuss about charge. So let's get started. What is charge? It is a property associated with matter. It produces and experiences electrical and magnetic field. Charge is of two types, positive and negative. Positive charge is due to deficiency of electrons and negative charge is due to excess of electrons. Unit of charges are Coulomb and Faraday. Its SI unit is Coulomb. The dimensional formula of charge is ampere into time. Charge is a scalar quantity. It represents excess or deficiency of electrons. Charge is transferable. If a charged body is put in contact with another body, then charge can be transferred to another body. It is always associated with mass. Charge without mass is not possible, while mass without charge is possible. Charge is conserved. Net charge of universe or of any isolated system is conserved. That is, charge can neither be created nor destroyed. If you create a certain amount of positive charge, then same amount of negative charge will also be created, thus resulting in net charge equals to 0. Charge is invariant. It is independent of frame of reference. That is, charge on a body does not change whatever be its speed. Charge is quantized. All free charges are integral multiple of a basic unit of charge represented by E. Thus, charge Q of a body is always given by n times of E, where n is equals to positive integer or negative integer. E is charge of an electron, which is equals to minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 Coulomb. Conductors and insulators. Conductors. Materials which have the outer electrons of each atom or molecule weakly bound, and these electrons are almost free to move throughout the body of the material, are known as conductors. Insulators. Materials having all the electrons tightly bounded with their atoms or molecules, or having very few electrons called as dielectrics, are known as insulators. Methods of charging. Friction. When one body is rubbed with another body, electrons are transferred from one body to the other. For example, glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth. Woolen cloth is rubbed with rubber shoes, amber or plastic objects. Dry hair rubbed with comb, and cat skin rubbed with ebonite rod. Conduction. Process of transfer of charge by contact of two conducting bodies. Electrostatic induction. When a charged body is brought near a neutral body, the charged body will attract opposite charge and repel similar charge present in the neutral body. Due to this, one side of the body becomes negative while the other positive. Note: induced charge is always opposite to that of inducing charge. Induced charge can only be lesser or equal to that of inducing charge. It only takes place in bodies, not in particles. Inducing body neither gains or loses charge. We are continuously improving ourselves. Do let us know what you think about it. Your suggestions will be very helpful. Visit our blog for notes and other study materials. Link in description. Thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more.